In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn in assignments on Google Classroom 2025 in 3 different ways. Whether you're submitting assignments directly from Google Docs, uploading files, or creating new documents within the platform, I'll guide you through each method smoothly. First, let's explore how to submit assignments directly using Google Docs, slides, or sheets. Start by navigating to classroom.google.com and signing in with your Google account. Once logged in, locate the specific class where your assignment is posted in your dashboard. Click on the class to enter it, and from the top menu, select the Classwork tab. Here you'll find all your assignments listed. Click on the assignment you need to submit and then select View Instructions to ensure you understand what's required. If your teacher has provided a Google Docs, slides, or sheets as part of the assignment, click on the attached file to open it. You can make your changes directly within this document. After completing your work, you'll see a turn in button in the upper right corner. Click this button and a confirmation window will pop up. Click turn in again to submit your assignment for grading. This method is perfect for assignments that are meant to be completed directly on Google's tools. Next, let's discuss uploading a file such as a PDF, Word document, or image. Begin by opening Google Classroom and navigating to the correct assignment just as you did for the first method. Under the Your Work section, you'll find an option labeled Add or Create. Click on this and choose File if you wish to upload a file from your computer, or select it from your Google Drive. Once you've chosen your file, wait for the upload to finish. When it's done, the Turn In button will become available. Simply click on it and confirm your submission. This method is ideal if you've completed your assignment using software outside of Google's suite. Lastly, I'll show you how to create a new file directly from Google Classroom. Navigate to the assignment you need to complete, as we've discussed in the previous steps. Under your work, click Add or Create and select whether you want to open a new Google Doc, slide, sheet, or drawing. A blank file will be generated for you to start working on. Complete your assignment in this file, and once finished, go back to Google Classroom, hit the Turn In button to submit your freshly created document. And there you have it, 3 efficient methods for turning in your assignments on Google Classroom 2025, ensuring you stay organized and on top of your work. Whether you're using Google's tools directly, uploading various file types, or creating something new from scratch, these methods will help you get your assignments submitted with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.